There are actually different reasons na kung bakit nagkaka-heart attack. Smoking, that's traditional. Bakit ba dumadami yung mga bata, pabata ng pabata, ang nagkakaroon ng heart attack and stroke? You also have to realize na nagbago yung ating lifestyle. Akala hindi na nagsusmoke, pero ang lakas mag-vape. Diba, napansin niyo yung cigarette packaging, ang pangit, nakakatakot na, diba? Because of the syntax and everything. So we had a win for that. Pero, tingnan mo yung vaping. Ang bango. Ang ganda ng packaging. Parang candy, diba? So it gives the signal sa mga bata, okay lang mag-vape. They don't realize that it's actually worse. Studies have shown it's worse than smoking. The problem with Filipinos, usually we do not seek help until it's late. So hindi dapat ganun eh. So dapat preventive tayo, dapat preemptive tayo. Pangit pala yung family history ko eh. I have risk factors. I need to do something about it early on before it becomes a problem. Okay, simple tips. Mag-iingatan natin po yung health natin, iisa lang po yung buhay natin. So, kailangan po nating alagaan ang ating kalusugan.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.